Hello there, seniors. You ready to unlock your flexibility and feel like new? Today we have prepared an exclusive set of soothing stretches designed specifically for you. These stretches will help you increase your mobility, reduce joint pain and stiffness, and leave you feeling rejuvenated. But that's not all. We have a special surprise for you. Stick around until the end of the video and let us show you. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel. We release new videos every week with healthy tips, fitness routines, and much more. And don't forget to click the bell icon to stay notified about our latest updates. Now let's dive into our 40 minutes of soothing stretches. This routine is perfect for those who want to improve their flexibility, relieve muscle tension, and enhance their overall well-being. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with yoga and stretching, this routine is suitable for all levels. So grab your mat or a comfortable surface and let's get started. It is essential to warm up your body before any stretching routine. This helps to increase blood flow, prepare your muscles for movement, and prevent injuries. So take a few minutes to do some light cardio, such as walking in place or marching. You can also do some arm circles, leg swings, and torso twists to loosen up your muscles. Now that your body is warmed up, let's move on to our first stretch. Sit in a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Inhale and reach your right arm overhead, while simultaneously extending your left arm out in front of you. Hold this position for 5 to 10 breaths, focusing on the sensations in your chest and back. As you inhale, allow your spine to lengthen, and as you exhale, gently move your head toward your right shoulder. Repeat on the other side. This next stretch is a standing forward fold. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, arms at your sides. Bend forward at your hips, keeping your back straight. Reach for your toes or shins and hold for 5 to 10 breaths. If you have tight hamstrings, you can bend your knees slightly. As you breathe, try to relax your body and let gravity do the work. Next, we have a seated cat and camel pose. Start on your hands and knees with your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Inhale and arch your back, dropping your belly towards the floor. As you exhale, round your spine and tuck your chin to your chest. Repeat this movement for 5 to 10 cycles, matching your breath with the movement. Our fourth stretch is a child's pose. Kneel on the floor with your big toes touching. Sit back on your heels and bring your forehead to the floor. Extend your arms out in front of you or keep them by your sides. Hold this pose for 10 to 30 breaths, allowing your body to relax into the stretch. If you find it too intense, you can widen the space between your knees. Moving on, we have a seated twist. Sit in a comfortable position with your legs crossed. Place your right hand on your left knee and use your right elbow to move your left knee towards the floor. Turn your head towards your right shoulder and hold for 5 to 10 breaths. Repeat on the other side. The next exercise is a shoulder stretch. Reach your right arm across your body and use your left arm to pull it closer to your chest. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths, then switch sides. Make sure to pull your shoulder blades down and away from your ears as you stretch.
Ow.
Let's do a tricep stretch. Bring your right arm overhead and bend your elbow, so your forearm is behind your head.
Ow.
Use your left hand to pull your right elbow closer to your spine. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths and repeat on the other side. If you have shoulder or elbow pain, modify this stretch by keeping your elbow in line with your shoulder. Next up is a quadricep stretch. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Lift your right leg behind you and bend your knee, grabbing your ankle if possible. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths and repeat on the other side. If you need support, you can use your hands for balance or do this against a wall. The next stretch is a hamstring stretch. Sit with your legs extended in front of you. Reach towards your toes or shins, trying to keep your back straight. Hold for 10 to 30 breaths, relaxing into the stretch. If you can't reach your toes, use a strap or towel for support. Now we have a butterfly stretch. Sit with the soles of your feet together and your knees bent. Use your elbows to pull your knees towards the floor. Hold for 10 to 30 breaths, allowing your body to relax. If you have tight inner thighs, you can rock side to side to increase the stretch. For our 12th stretch, we go back to a standing forward fold. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Bend forward at your hips, keeping your back straight. Try to touch your toes or shins and hold for 10 to 30 breaths. If your hamstrings are tight, bend your knees slightly. Next, we have a modified downward dog. Start on your hands and knees. Lift your hips up and back, forming an inverted V shape with your body. Keep your knees slightly bent and your back flat. Hold for 10 to 30 breaths, focusing on your breathing. Moving on to a standing side stretch. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Raise your right arm overhead and bend to the left, bringing your left hand to your waist. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths and repeat on the other side. If you need support, you can place your hand on your hip for balance. For our 14th stretch, we go back to the seated twist. Sit with your legs crossed. Place your right hand on your left knee and use your right elbow to pull your left knee towards the floor. Turn your head towards your right shoulder and hold for 10 to 30 breaths. Repeat on the other side. Now let's do a seated figure for stretch. Sit with your legs crossed. Lift your right leg and place your right foot on your left thigh. Lean towards your left side, bringing your left shoulder to your right knee. Hold for 10 to 30 breaths and repeat on the other side. For our 16th stretch, we have a seated wide leg forward fold. Sit with your legs wide apart. Extend your arms in front of you and reach towards your toes. Hold for 10 to 30 breaths, breathing deeply and relaxing into the stretch. Next up is a standing quad stretch. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Lift your right leg behind you and bend your knee, grabbing your ankle if possible. Hold for 10 to 30 breaths and repeat on the other side. If needed, you can use your hands for support. The next stretch is a supine twist. Lie on your back with your legs extended.
Bend your right knee.
And place your right foot on the floor.
Hot.
Cross your right leg over your left thigh and allow your body to twist.
Hard.
Hold for 10 to 30 breaths and repeat on the other side.
We're now at our 18th stretch, which is a seated spinal twist. Sit with your legs crossed. Bend your right knee and place your right foot on the floor. Bringing your left shoulder towards your right knee.
Hold for 10 to 30 breaths and repeat on the other side. Moving on, we have a child's pose with a twist. Start on your hands and knees. Bring your big toe to touch and sit back on your heels. Twist your body to the right, bringing your right shoulder towards your left knee. Hold for 10 to 30 breaths and repeat on the other side. Next, we have a Savasana or corpse pose. Lie on your back with your legs open and arms by your sides, palms facing up. Relax your entire body, including your eyelids, and focus on your breathing. Stay in this pose for 1 to 5 minutes, letting your body completely relax. Congratulations, you've completed our 40 minutes of soothing stretches. I hope you enjoyed this routine and felt amazing afterwards.
Remember to listen to your body, take breaks when needed, and stay hydrated.
And now for the surprise we mentioned earlier, we would love to offer you a complimentary senior fitness guide. This guide includes additional resources and exercises that can help you continue your journey towards better health and flexibility. To receive your free guide, simply click the link provided below. Thank you for joining us today. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Stay healthy and happy.